Welcome everyone. Today we're going to talk about how to uninstall the Easy Homescreen app from your Android phone. If your device keeps switching to Easy Homescreen, or you simply want to remove it completely, first, open the Settings app on your phone. Next, use the search bar at the top and type Apps or Applications. Then, tap on App List to see all the installed apps on your phone. Scroll through the list and find Easy Homescreen. Once you find it, tap on it to open the app details. Now go down and tap on Open by default. Then click on Clear Defaults to remove it as your default home screen launcher. After that, go back to the main app info page and tap Uninstall. When the confirmation message appears, click OK to remove the app completely from your phone. That's it for today. In this video, you learned how to remove the Easy Homescreen app safely and restore your Android's default interface. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.